To remove the hard drive, first remove the CSR door. Press down on the green release latch for the hard drive cage and slide the cage towards the center of the unit. Pull the hard drive cage out of the PC. Detach the 4 Phillips head screws at the sides of the hard drive cage and slide the hard drive out of the cage. To install a hard drive, slide the hard drive into the cage with the spindle side of the hard drive towards the open side of the cage. Secure the hard drive to the cage with 4 Phillips head screws. There are 4 tabs on the bottom of the hard drive cage that slide into 4 slots on the PC. To replace the hard drive cage, align the 4 tabs over their slots and slide the cage firmly until the green release latch snaps back up into place.